Good morning, everybody. Mel here, coming from my kitchen. How crazy is this filter? Look at my hair. It looks like just white. Anyway, loving it. So I'm jumping on this morning. I feel super excited because I got to share this morning in our greater team. So for the company that I'm affiliated for and ambassador for. And it was just so nice to jump back into the saddle. I've been a little bit quiet and a little bit, I don't know, kind of a bit like this year. And I think like so many people have, but now can feel the, you know, the light shining again. So yeah, so it was a really nice kick start to the morning. That was at 6:30. Kids are ready for school. So I'm actually just going to make up a very simple smoothie this morning, which I love. I love it because it is simple and it gets a whole lot of plants into your body. It's been amazing for my digestive system. 3 years ago, actually, do you know what? For a very long time in my life, and you can even ask my mum, I always looked bloated. Like in my 20s, I was always so bloated that I looked pregnant. Like it was so disgusting. And literally since I've started using our completes and our micronutrition, you know, my tummy is now flat, which is good. It's good to have a flat tummy at 44. So anyway, I'm just going to use some almond milk. I use plant-based milks. I don't like the taste of dairy, plus it plays up with me a bit. So always check your ingredients when you are using plant-based. Your Natty Bruce's are the best. But saying that, this one's not bad, and the organic harvested is even better. As long as there's only like 3 or 4 ingredients, that's what you want to go for. Because the So Goods and Sanitariums are just so full of shit. The chemical shitstorm, it's ridiculous. So anyway, we just throw all this in. I usually do put spinach and stuff in. But today I haven't gone and picked some from the garden, so yeah. So anyway, so literally just that. You can put a shot of coffee in this, so to make it like a nice iced coffee, and you can add ice. I did that the other day, and the good thing about these is that there is, it's only 9.8 grams of sugar, okay, which is not much, and it's, the sugar in these is balanced, all right? So it's basically a banana is around, I think, 10 grams. So eating a banana is more than this. But if you go and buy an iced coffee from the shelf in the supermarket, did you know you're consuming like 50 grams of sugar? Okay, so you can actually, if you're an iced coffee addict, start using these, add your shot of coffee, ice and almond milk, and you've got a healthy version of a iced coffee, which is amazing, which I usually make. Because I do like a bit of coffee. And what else am I going to add? That's all. So you can add mango, you can add berries, you can add whatever. But today I'm actually not. I'm just going to have a nice little chocolate one. And this is my new power blender. It's absolutely insane. Anyway, I'll show you. The cool thing is it has a presetting, so I can leave it and come back here and chat to you. So yeah, so anyway, the beautiful thing about these is that they've got vitamin B, vitamin D, vitamin C, amino acids, and then there's 17 plants. There's things like broccoli, yucca powder. We've got pomegranate powder, we've got pea protein. What else do we have? We've got lots of stuff. Organic millet, we've got radish sprouts, our alfalfa sprouts, amaranth. Like there's so much to these, and everything is organic, non-GMO. So they're really clean and they're really silky smooth. Some people find, you know, proteins very grainy and yucky, where these are just beautiful, silky smooth. Taste great, and you can add whatever else to them, and they really do last. And these are low GI, okay? So for diabetics, they've actually done research on them and they're really good. So basically, that's my nice little morning breakfast. Okay, I never feel like eating in the morning, and this is a way to get something into my body, energy, and everything else that I need. So yeah. Anyway, have a beautiful day.
Hey Mum, what does this word say? Mum.